I'm at the Kam Wai Dim Sum in Vancouver Chinatown. We're going to enjoy a little dim sum. Really great prices here and really tasty dim sum. So thumbs up. Great place to enjoy dim sum. We have the black sesame bao. This is the pork bao, char bao. So we have the Chinese meatballs. And then we have shrimp dumpling, hagao. So pretty good deal here for $14.75. We just happen to be in the area, so we grab a quick bite here. So these are standard fare at a dim sum. This is the hagao, the shrimp dumpling. So I ordered this. Oh, take care. Have a good trip here.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, see you again. Look at all the wall shrimp. So I think the first time I ever had dim sum in Vancouver, I think we had this at the, I think it was the Asia Garden or the New Diamond. I can't remember which one. Char bao, one of the standards for dim sum all the time. So soft bao, like a steamed bao with savory pork filling. They make a real nice steamed barbecue pork bun. It's really soft. So it's like eating a soft pillow. So this is the sesame bao. Sesame bao. Look at that, look at that. It's black sesame paste. So I really like sesame paste and a lot of different dim sum items. So first time I'm having it in a bao. So it's got the sweet sesame paste flavor. It's got a nice, soft, chewy bao. You gotta try this. Yeah. Huh? You try? Huh? Oh yeah, YouTube. Yeah. Yeah, I like eating. We go eating. Yeah. So you see me on YouTube? You see me on YouTube? Oh, good. The mom. That's the mom. Oh, nice to see you. Huh? Yeah, I've been here a few times. Yeah. Very good. Have you been here before? Oh yeah, good. Oh, you don't sit around. You live around here?
Restaurant and order nice, beautiful food.
Oh yeah.
Especially my dog.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you pay more except for the. Well, nowadays a lot of the service isn't that good anyway. Huh?
How can you afford to spend all the money on it? All some places they go, how can you afford?
Well, yeah. Well, this YouTube channel will pay. I got 3 channels, so pays for part of the travel.
Subscription, yeah?
Huh?
Subscribe.
So when people watch it and
And subscribe on it, right?
yeah, and then I'll do a little advertising on Amazon. And yeah.
You guys might be very low.
Yeah. Yeah, little ways to save money when you travel too. Right? I bargain with people when I travel. Sometimes they start yelling at me. Right? I try to get cheaper hotels. They start yelling at me. But then
Well, you eat the food, you get discount.
Huh?
You go to a restaurant, eat the food, you get paid discount. That's special discount.
Well, sometimes I do. Sometimes they give it to me. Sometimes I pay. Just whatever. Sometimes I help people advertise. I help them promote it.
Enjoy it. That guy must be very low. I can't afford to go all places. I can't afford to go all the places.
Well, there's good local places. Just even like Chinatown. There's so many places here and throughout Vancouver. So sometimes my viewers will tell me, "Hey, this is a good restaurant somewhere." So I go. Sometimes it's really good, sometimes not. That's how it is. Oh, you live around here? Oh, what's that? I come down Chinatown all the time. Oh yeah, sure. I used to work downtown, but now I haven't been down there that much. I used to live right downtown, right? Down Thurlow. And now I don't work downtown anymore. I don't go downtown. Okay. Okay. Take care. Yeah, enjoy yourself. Chinese meatball. So it's moist steamed beef. It's got it's really got a soft texture. So it's like beef, but with a soft texture. So So it's a really unique dim sum order. I guess everybody eats it nowadays, but for me, I used to eat this from the early days, my first time eating dim sum. 一般就好 parking 係過期呢個時間問攞夫個其實 I just said I only put a small amount of money in the parking, so if we go over we get a ticket. This becomes the most expensive dim sum because I think the tickets are like what is it, $75 or $125. So inexpensive dim sum will become very expensive if I get a ticket. There's more life here in the streets here in Chinatown. There's actually street musicians coming back, singing and playing music in Chinatown.
Come to Chinatown to enjoy
Fantastic. Are you
the
here?
restaurant,
Are you here all the
the
time?
food.
Sometimes.
You are putting on YouTube?
Can I?
Of course.
Oh, good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Good. So make sure you check it out.
My name is CTK, Chinatown K,
Oh, okay.
and we play all our gold music
Fantastic.
for
Sounds
all
good.
the Chinese,
Sounds good.
or for all other people.
你會說中文？
我講中文啊。
哦，OK，good。
冇問題。
歡迎大家嚟唐人街振興中華。嚟唐人街有食有玩有唱有跳舞嚇。
好啦，我瞓之後。
高
興啦。
大家一起來開心
對。
來唐人街，把唐人街唱火起來。
我也開心。
你可以
你開心啊！
嗱呢首歌你
你唱歌唱得很好。
我叫冰莹。我唱卡拉 OK 也唱粵曲啊！現在我跟他唱一首《中國人壽美了情》。
Ooh, look at these baos. Ooh, these are slightly bigger. These are Chinese bakery size. So you get half a dozen of these. They'll cost you about $20 Canadian. So you make these for about $2 to $2.50. So today we made close to 40 bao. Cost about $80 retail. So I made close to 40 bao for under $10. Also known as bao. So let's get started. So this is the brand that I use, T&T brand. It's an enriched bun flour. This is made by a local company called T&T. Really nice fluffy bao. I use this wide bowl because I can knead the flour right inside the bowl, so I don't have to take it out and put it on a board or put it on a table. So it's 3 cups of flour here. We're going to add a cup and a half of cold water. I'm using instant rice, instant yeast. So you can use the regular yeast, but I'm using the instant yeast, a lot faster. What about a tablespoon of instant rice yeast in, I got about a 1/4 cup of water here. So this is warm water, so you don't want the water to be too hot. But first we're just going to add 3/4 teaspoon of salt. So we're just going to mix the salt into the flour. Teaspoons of baking powder. We call it magic baking powder. Add the instant yeast with the water, so it's activated. We're just going to add a cup and a half of cold water. So it's 2-to-1 ratio. There's 3 cups of flour here. So I'm going to add a cup and a half of water. We're just going to mix it up. So I'm just using chopsticks here. You can use a wooden spoon, or you can use a fork, or whatever you like. But chopstick is really good for mixing. So you can use all-purpose flour for this recipe as well. So I've used the all-purpose flour. So this is actually just a brand of flour by T&T. So now I'm just going to wrap the dough with a piece of cellophane. So just let it rest. So this dough you should let rest for at least an hour. So it's been about an hour and a half. So just knead this dough for 3 or 4 minutes. So I've been kneading this for a few minutes already. So it's looking good. It's kind of sticky, but it's not really sticking. So now we're ready for the next step. For the filling, we're going to add some tasty Chinese barbecue duck and some Chinese barbecue pork from our dinner last night. We're going to add some ground pork, Chinese sausages, and some diced Chinese mushrooms. So you can add your own favorite ingredients. I like to add some chopped onions for flavor and texture. So give that a quick stir fry. You can use your wok or a pan to stir fry your ingredients. So I also add some green onions and 3/4 cups of water or chicken broth with a sauce. Here we have some kohlrabi cabbage. I'm going to put in a teaspoon of salt. I use sea salt. 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. Half a teaspoon of chicken soup base. I put in 2 or 3 tablespoons of Chinese oyster sauce, my favorite sauce. And finally add 2 to 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce, also known as regular soy sauce. It only takes about 5 to 7 minutes to stir fry your ingredients. Add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 1/3 cup of water to thicken your sauce. And let the ingredients cool off for at least 1 to 2 hours before making your baos. So I'm going to make a bao or a baozi right now. Just have a little bit of this peanut oil. You can use any kind of vegetable oil. So just make sure it doesn't stick. So this doesn't really stick that much, but a little bit of oil goes a long way. So just flatten it out a little bit. So I'm going to put a tablespoon of this filling. It has Hong Kong style barbecue pork. It has Hong Kong style roast duck. Just press it down a little bit to get the filling in. I have the Hong Kong style barbecue duck and the Hong Kong style barbecue pork in this filling. So also add green onions and Chinese mushrooms. So this is a simple filling, the Southern China flavors. It's our version of bao using a traditional bao recipe. So you need to put it on a piece of parchment paper or wax paper. So we got the water going, so it's at medium high to high heat. So make sure it's steaming really hot. There's lots of steam, there's lots of water, and a wire rack on the bottom. So I put the tray of buns in, cover with a lid, and let it steam anywhere from 12 to 15 minutes. It's been about 15 minutes. Let's have a look at the results. Wow, look at that. Ooh, it turned out really nice. The bao is really fluffy, so it didn't have room to expand, so they're pretty well wall to wall. Lots of flavor. Hong Kong style barbecue duck with the Hong Kong style barbecue pork in the filling. You gotta try that. Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use. Thanks for checking out my video, and please give me a thumbs up, and be sure to check out some of my other videos on this channel, and please subscribe. If you get a chance, check out my other channel, the award-winning Chinese cooking channel.